Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Loom to create high quality screen recordings quickly and effortlessly. Whether you want to record tutorials, presentations, online lessons, client walkthroughs, or feedback videos, Loom is one of the easiest and most powerful tools available. In this video, I will guide you step by step through how to set up Loom, choose the right recording options, and record your screen, camera and voice with clarity. You will also learn how to share your recordings instantly, organize your videos, and use Loom's feature to communicate ideas more effectively without lengthy meetings or emails. So right now we are at the website of the Loom. So first of all, I'll show you how you can sign up. So we'll just click on get Loom for free, and here we will sign up with the help of our Google account. So here I will select sign up with Google, and here I will select my available Gmail account and give it a permission to access my basic information like name, profile picture, and email address, and hit the continue button. So on the next page we will click on I agree the terms and conditions. Make sure to you read out all the terms and conditions. I have already read these conditions, that's why I've just allowed it and accepted the terms and conditions. So that's how basically our account is created. So here let's go for the record now button. We are using it for educational purposes. Select continue. And here we have given our name of the dashboard, and let's skip this. If you want to connect your calendar, you can select your calendar, so it will automatically schedule your meetings as well. So they are providing their desktop app as well as Chrome extension. For right now, I'm going to install the Chrome extension so that I can record the screen recording just simply from that extension. So I will show you step by step. So finally the extension has been installed. You can look for the extension here. I have pinned it here. You can start your recording right away from this extension as well. And you will see on the left side this navigation menu. So if you want to start a record video, you just click on this record a video. So let's show you. So as you can see that the video is almost ready, but before starting you can see these settings. I have turned off the camera, but if you want to turn on, you just click on this and your camera will be turned on, and I have allowed my microphone to start recording. And you can also do some changes, like if you are on a video you can blur the background, and you can also add effects on in the menu section you can also do many notification. I'll do other changings as well. So after managing these settings, you just simply click on the start recording and it will start recording in front of you. So that's how basically you can use Loom for video recording or your scheduling meetings and each and everything. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.